can't even see. There we go. Baby, what are you doing? Come on, let's go home. Come on. You want to go home? What are you doing now, babies? It's after 9 o'clock. See? I put these two back in their cage for the night. Come on, let's go home. Come on. Everybody's home. Baby bear, come here. Can you do it on your own? I know, the light is really bothering. I know. There you go. See, he's a good boy. He can do it on his own. I want to give him space, though, so he doesn't jump back up to the top. Come on, baby. Oh, you can do it. There you go. He made it. Baby's home. Hi. Look at you two. Right, big. Alright, everybody is home for the night. Alright, everyone's home. Everyone's home for the night. Good.